Starting around 20 January 2024, Star Atlas DAO especially is exchanging at $0.3524 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.21% in most recent 60 minutes, or so they fundamentally thought. Polis for the most part has an all-out market cap of $86,015,790, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $705,900, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. This by and large makes Star Atlas DAO, Polis, certainly positioning at 386 in the cryptographic money market, which generally is very critical. In the event that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what truly is the Star Atlas DAO cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Star Atlas DAO certainly be truly worth in 2024 in a kind of enormous manner? Is Star Atlas DAO a fundamentally wise venture or especially worth purchasing in 2024, which most certainly is very huge? Will Polis cost generally outperform its unsurpassed high in every way that really matters, in opposition to mainstream thinking? These for the most part are our Star Atlas DAO cost expectations for Polis's future, which certainly shows that really is Star Atlas DAO in every practical sense, wise speculation or sort of worth purchasing in 2024 in an unpretentious manner. Star Atlas DAO, Polis, value expectation 2024. As per the Star Atlas DAO conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2024, the Polis cost by and large is supposed to cross a for the most part normal value level of $0.5415, the normal especially least value worth of Star Atlas DAO, toward the finish of the truly current year, ought to basically be $0.5219, which for the most part is very critical. Besides, Polis can especially arrive at a really most extreme value level of $0.6567, kind of additional appearance how Star Atlas DAO, Polis, value expectation 2024, as per the Star Atlas DAO gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2024, the Polis value sort of is supposed to in a real sense cross a sort of normal value level of $0.5415. The normal by and large least value worth of Star Atlas DAO toward the finish of the fundamentally current year ought to for the most part be $0.5219 in a genuinely significant manner. Polis value gauge January 2024. Concerning January 2024, Star Atlas DAO in a real sense is supposed to basically arrive at in every practical sense least value worth of $0.3716, or so they especially thought. The Polis cost could by and large arrive at an especially greatest cost of $0.4225, with the essentially normal cost around $0.4108 in a very significant manner. Polis value figure February 2024. With respect to February 2024, Star Atlas DAO generally is supposed to generally arrive at a truly least value worth of $0.4074, or so they sort of thought. The Polis cost could sort of arrive at a kind of most extreme cost of $0.4430, with the typical cost around $0.4231 in a kind of significant manner. Star Atlas DAO value conjecture Walk 2024. In Walk 2024, the greatest cost for Star Atlas DAO could really stretch around $0.4642 in an unobtrusive manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of Polis in Walk 2024 generally is $0.4120, with a sort of typical cost of $0.4316 in a fundamentally significant manner. Star Atlas DAO value expectation April 2024. Star Atlas DAO cost truly is supposed to reach between $0.4289 to $0.4815 in April 2024. While the very normal cost of Polis for the April stays around $0.4445. Star Atlas DAO, Polis, value estimate mid-2024. The Star Atlas DAO, Polis, value for May 2024 may truly arrive at a truly least worth of $0.4377, while the really greatest gauge cost especially is around $0.5037, which truly shows that starting around 20 January 2024, Star Atlas DAO by and large is exchanging at $0.3524 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.21% in for the most part most recent 1 hour in a genuinely huge manner. The for the most part normal cost for Polis is explicitly anticipated to reach $0.4534 in May 2024 in an unpretentious way. Star Atlas DAO, Polis, value conjecture June 2024. For June 2024, the cost of Star Atlas DAO generally is especially anticipated to generally arrive at an exceptionally normal cost of $0.4625, while the coin could exchange between a very limit of $0.5218 and at least $0.4468, which certainly is very critical. Paulus Value Estimate July 2024. With respect to July 2024, Star Atlas DAO, all things considered, is supposed to arrive at an especially least value worth of $0.4568. The Paulus cost could sort of arrive at in every way that really matters, greatest cost of $0.5403, with the kind of typical cost around $0.4763, all things considered, in spite of prevalent thinking. Star Atlas DAO, Paulus, Value Expectation August 2024. The cost for Star Atlas DAO in August 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $0.4758 and $0.5641 in an especially huge manner. While the by and large normal exchanging cost ought to be around $0.4954 in a genuinely huge manner. Star Atlas DAO, Paulus, Value Estimate September 2024. The Star Atlas DAO, Paulus, cost for September 2024 may really arrive at a genuinely least worth of $0.4946, while the greatest determined cost especially is around $0.5840, which truly is genuinely huge. In every practical sense, normal cost for Paulus for the most part is in a real sense anticipated to sort of reach $0.5102 in September 2024, exhibiting that these are our Star Atlas DAO cost expectations for Paulus's future, which essentially shows that explicitly is Star Atlas DAO a very wise venture or worth purchasing in 2024, by and large in spite of prevalent thinking. Star Atlas DAO Value Estimate October 2024. In October 2024, the especially most extreme cost for Star Atlas DAO could sort of stretch around $0.6095, which truly is very huge. Moreover, the minimum cost of Paulus in October 2024 in a real sense is $0.5048 with an in every way that really matters, normal cost of $0.5205, which all things considered, shows that Star Atlas DAO, Paulus, Value Expectation August 2024. The cost for Star Atlas DAO in August 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $0.4758 and $0.5641, which basically is genuinely huge. Star Atlas DAO Value Conjecture November 2024. In November 2024, the cost of Star Atlas DAO generally is supposed to in a real sense be at around a sort of least of $0.5113. Star Atlas DAO cost can arrive at an essentially limit of $0.6355, with the extremely normal cost of $0.5309 in United States dollars,